High five. Ooh, no. Oh, fuck. Woody.
Are you with me, lions? The choice is yours, son.
Start living in the real world. Everyone in the real world thinks I'm a freak. And you know what? Maybe you're right.
Kitty, kitty.
Have you guys ever seen a cat that had shits like this? You good, bro?
Lose not my lightsaber.
You know?
Your new president of 2017, you guys. This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better
Time to go to sleep, okay, buddy? I wanna see your cheeks glow. Red, red, red.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it.